This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Hey, everybody, it's time for your weekend transcriber transcriber test. Aren't you thrilled? Yeah, it's always exciting when there's a brand new test. There's a brand new test, huh? Especially when there's all sorts of frabjous words for you to figure out how to spell. And somebody just talking and not saying anything useful. Well, useful. Well, that's me, baby cakes. So, are you ready? Ready? Let's see what we can do to make it harder for you to get this job. Basically, I think I'm going to talk about some key topics. And after that, we're going to try to see what the priorities are. What the priorities are. In fact, first of all, I think the very first thing we want to talk about is the possibilities of the MES software. Yes. MES software. Does it fulfill your needs in terms of identifier requirements? Requirements, because in such solutions, as you understand, you have your identifier requirements at the beginning, and sometimes the software can offer you more than what you identify. Than what you identified yourself at the beginning. Certainly the first criteria, the very first one, it's certainly an important one, is to check that the MES that the MES would offer the key characteristic that I'm expecting in terms of data supply. Supply. Supply, in terms of features. And that's an elimination criteria. It's an elimination criteria. If it doesn't propose that, you would not take it. Take it. That's certainly the very first one. Tomorrow you're going to have a whole new way of thinking, new requirements, the capacity of evolution, the flexibility and evolution of evolution. The flexibility and evolution in terms of upgrades, in terms of integration of new features or new manufacturing environments. That's certainly a key topic because you don't want to be stuck with a rigid system. I think that I think this is an important point. And the third point, wait, did I say the third already, the second already? How did I manage to get up to the third point already? Third point already. Wow, I am losing control. I am losing control. Maybe I need to have another slug of Kahlua. Slug of Kahlua. Slug of Kahlua. Hang on a second.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Well, anyway, the next point, whichever it is, second or third, is the training factor and the ease of use by users. Now, is it something that's user-friendly? It's user-friendly that requires not a whole lot of training, not too much investment on the manufacturing people to teach them and so on. That's certainly something important. And after that, you have the cost of the cost of the system, which is twofold. The cost of the system, it's the cost of the system, its installation costs, the cost of rolling out at the beginning, the recurring cost of the licenses during the life of the product, etc. etc. Anyway, I think in terms of workplace stuff, it's kind of evidence-based. I mean, there's a lot of evidence about it, and the guidelines are all very much about, if people can maintain work, then they'll have better health excuse me, health outcomes in general. It reduces poverty and social exclusion and all that balderdash. All that balderdash. There's that, and I think the other strength is this thing about it being holistic. That we take this psychosocial biopsychosocial approach. We're looking at absolutely everything. It's not just the body and the physical symptoms of pain. It's the psychology, the pain, body, the average holds this thing about it being holistic. That we take this biopsychosocial approach. We're looking at absolutely everything. It's not just the body and the physical symptoms of pain. It's the psychology, the psychology that goes with it. And then also the behaviors. So the behaviors, because people are in so much pain, people don't want to move and they're unable to do things. And then that has consequences. That has consequences.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.